Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So just want to tell you guys what I'm doing with the car today. We are making big progress, tremendous progress. So I got the battery installed and I made a nice little mini ground wire here, and then I got a power wire for this side. Nothing's connected to power yet, obviously. Been doing a lot of electrical stuff lately, so it took me a couple of days to get all this stuff done, but I got my my kill switch wired in here right there. So there's the kill switch, so that's wired in, and I'll show you guys here. And then the wires are just tucked along there and they run up to the front. Now the way I have this kill switch wired is that wire I showed you up in the front for the power for the battery. That wire is running all the way back here to the switch, and then the other wire off the switch is going to run to the fuse box. So that right there will kill power to the fuse box, which will kill all the power to the car. I haven't tested it yet because I'm waiting for a power block to come in the mail, because I'm gonna run, because I got all these extra wires coming from my switches and stuff, and they're all kind of just plugged into the fuse box, and it's not really a safe way, and it's not very neat either, but it's been working, and it's definitely something that I want to upgrade there and clean it up a bit. So I ordered a power block, so when that comes in, I'll run power to that, and then all of my switches and external stuff is going to be ran into that power block. So I'm going to tuck the fuse box away, clean up the rest of this wiring, eliminate all the extra wiring that we don't need, and then we'll test. Oh, before that, almost got ahead of myself. I am going to connect the fuse to this, okay, just in case there's any problems. We're not going to short anything out, but that is what's going on now. I'm trying to think of what else we've been doing. I'm ready to make my brackets for the bumper. So bumper's off, battery's in. Need to make the bracket so we can put the bumper back on. Picked up some goodies from the Harbor Freight. Some much needed electrical stuff. Oh, and guys, check this out, man. Got this Bauer light, and this thing is mint. 2000 lumens. It's got 2 different brightness levels. They say it'll go 9 hours on one battery, so we'll test it out and see. I got the new this is the 5 amp hour battery that came out. Before they only had the 1.5 amp hour and the 3 amp hour battery. So I picked up this 5 amp hour. It was 60 bucks for the battery, and then another 60 for the light. And this thing is bright. But what's cool about it, guys, is that if you take the battery off, let me see if I can do this with one hand. Let me put my phone down. So if you take the battery off, you got these 2 plugs here, and that's so that we can put an extension cord in and run it off main power or AC power. So that's a pretty cool feature. But yeah, the thing is bright, and I love the Bauer stuff, man. I love my Milwaukee stuff, but I also like the Bauer stuff because it's a little bit more affordable, but it's pretty good products that they're making. And I got this is the impact driver here, and I also I've got this impact gun, which I don't know, man. This thing just seems to be a little weak. The second version that I have here, it's not as strong as the first one I had, so I will be switching this one out. But I don't even use this because I got the Milwaukee, the 2767, and then I just really use this little one right here. I think this is 2754. Yeah, 2754. So I really just use these. This thing sits, collects dust. I'm probably going to give it away to somebody that might need one. But even these Bauer lights here, 300 lumens, I've ran these things for 7 hours. They work great, man. For $10 or whatever they cost for the light, that is perfect, man. Perfect. Anyways, so I'm gonna make the brackets for the bumper there, and then try to put the bumper on. After that, I gotta switch my axle out on this driver's side of the car because it's been giving me some problems. but I just redid all the, like, not all of it, but last week or the week before I did the rotors and the brakes, and I did the axle on the passenger side. So today I'm gonna do the axle on the driver's side, and hopefully that straightens out the issue. So yeah, that's it, guys. So thanks for watching, you know, and hit that like button, man. You guys know it definitely helps the channel. It helps get the videos out there to other people to see. And you guys know I like helping everybody out, and whatever questions you guys have, if I know the answer to it, or if I can guide you to, you know, to the right direction, you know, I love doing that. So make sure you guys hit that like button, share the videos. That helps push the videos out there for other people to see and get to experience this whole project. You know, we're all doing this together, so I appreciate everything. But yeah, you guys take it easy. Peace. Oh, and one more thing before I forget, guys. I just want to get you guys topped off on all the information. Got the fuel filter in. Just got like a little temporary one just to get me by, because I want to get this car running ASAP. So I just got this E85 fuel filter, nice and beefy. I got a mount for it too. So this is the mount for the fuel filter. What else? You guys already know I got the injectors here. I went with blocks. Hate all you want, if you want. Don't really matter to me. You know, nobody's sending me any money to finish this car, so I like Blocks products anyway. So I can't get that open, but whatever. Blocks 1000cc injectors. I got the O2 sensor, the new one for my wideband, for my Innovate wideband. Right there. Got the fuel lines here. This is like 32 feet right there. That should be plenty for the car. Nitrous bottle is out. Got the gauge for it. Gonna go get this thing filled probably tomorrow. What else? Guys, finally got a 6-point roll bar. We got the Rhodes Racing Competition roll bar, 6-point. So as soon as that comes in the mail, you know, gonna be mocking that thing up, getting it welded up and put in. So super excited about that. The car definitely needs a nice roll bar to stiffen it up. You know, there's so much cut out of this car. The flex is going to be unreal, and I don't want to crack the chassis. So that roll bar will be perfect, especially with this here crossbar that my dad had welded up for me a couple years ago. And then we got that other bar, that strut bar right there, going across there to stabilize everything. But yeah, I'm going to talk to my dad, and hopefully he'll either let me use his MIG welder or he can weld it. I'd much rather him weld it, because he's a certified welder for TIG welding, aluminum, and MIG welding. My dad definitely knows his stuff when it comes to welding. You guys can see these beads are looking clean. But yeah, if he could weld it up, that would be a huge blessing. So we'll see, guys. But yeah, so now we're really gonna end the video. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.